Hello guys, welcome back. Today we want to look at how to install the beta version of Livewire 4. Keep in mind I'm saying this is the beta version of Livewire 4. So here I have two applications ready. Let me show you the code. This is you can see on the URL, this is just Laravel. There is no authentication scaffolding. There is no Livewire. This is just a fresh application. Then this on the other hand, you can see it has an authentication scaffolding already. And this has Livewire in it. Right. I want to show you the code. Here you have just live, just Laravel. So this is just has Laravel. You can see on the composer.json. I'm going to show you the other one so we can compare. On the one that is just has Laravel in it, you can see you just have Laravel framework and then Thinker. On the other side, on the left side, the one that has a Livewire attached, one that has Livewire attached, you can see that it has Livewire flux and Livewire volts, right? So definitely you can see. Okay, over on the um project scaffold, you can see Livewire here, Livewire actions, Livewire settings, and all of that. So you know that this one has Livewire in it. While on this other one, there is no Livewire in this one. This is just a normal Laravel, right? Let's go to the documentation. Livewire installation, right? Say from the root directory of your application, run the following composer command. So this is the command we need to get the beta version. Okay, so I'm going to run it on just the Laravel application first. I like to use batch, so I'm going to switch to batch. Batch is now set up. I will just paste in the command and then try to install Livewire version 4 beta. You see, I already made some changes to my composer and it gave me an error. So why is it giving an error at a fresh installation of Laravel? Why is it giving an error? You should have at least mentioned something like that here, right? But going to the documentation, I didn't see any thing like that, because if you give a command and say this is just what you need, sorry, where is it? This is just what you need, then this should work out of the box, right? Right, to install, open your terminal, navigate to Laravel application, then run the following command. Composer this, that's it. Livewire uses Laravel's package auto discovery, so no additional setup is required, but that's not the case. Now I'm making this video to as a point of maybe asking if anyone is having the same issue and then how to solve the issue, right? So let's go to the this other application that has Livewire in it, and I'm going to run the command and save. You still note it has another error. Like, why are you having errors? Right? Okay. So you see how it has an error saying this and that. Sharp, plenty talk, which I don't want to go into right now. But here's something I discovered. What if we change this stable here to beta as per beta version, right? And then let's try and run the command again. I'm going to do the same for here. That's how I'm on the composer. I'm going to do the same for here. Let's say beta. Yeah. And then I run the command again. Hopefully it works this time. I don't know. Fingers crossed. I run both commands. And sure enough, it fails again. Right? Still giving almost the same issue. The old composer JSON requires Livewire 4 at beta exact version match. Found Livewire dev judge. I don't know who that guy is. Slash support class names in make command and a lot of other things. Right. So my concern is, if this doesn't work out of the box, then why do you have this here? Because if you put this here and say that's it, that's all you need, then it's supposed to work. Right now, yeah, there's some use cases whereby it doesn't work and all of that. That's why you have Stack Overflow, and then you have some other places like Cast and all of that, right? But you should at least say, okay, if that doesn't work for you, try this or try that. But you are confident to say, yo man, this is all you need, but it doesn't work. So what can we do to make it work? There's another command we can use to make it work. So this is a command that I found to make it work. So instead of using at, just use data like this, right? And after a lot of digging and AI working and all of that, so I found this command. So I'll paste it in both of them, and I'm going to run it, and then let's see what happens. Okay, so it seems to be what's it called now? It seems to be installing or downloading Livewire for the beta. You can see here the beta version. So we'll give it a time, give it some time, and then we'll come back to it once it's done. Okay, so both of them are done installing right now. They have installed Livewire. So how do we confirm that Livewire 4 is actually here? If I run Composer show Livewire, right, I'm gonna run it here as well. Right, so what we want to do is actually just look for what version of Livewire is currently present. So I'll try and scroll to the top here, so you can see it's Composer, all of that. Version 4 beta.2, right? My concern, if you know, you can leave it in the comments. This is also it here. So now we have Livewire version 4, right? So if you know, you can also see it here, Livewire version 4. Livewire version beta 4. All right. So now we have Livewire installed. Right. So my concern is, obviously they would have tested this, right? I mean, it's not the first time they're doing this. But why didn't it work right out of the box? Because they said, and I quote, that's it. That's all you need. But that didn't work. We had to use another composer command to actually install Livewire 4 into our application, right? So I think maybe this should be changed or something, right? So that's it, guys. Let's actually just do one let's just make one composer component, make a component, and then let's just see how to come out. Okay, I think I still remember that, obviously. So on the one that just has did anything change on the front end? Let me see. One refresh. Sure enough, nothing will change because yeah, nothing changed. Okay, so I'm gonna install. I want to create a component. So say PHP artisan livewire make, and I'll say dashboard. Okay, so this is essentially just a bonus. Let me enlarge this. And 1, 2. Okay, this is very big now. So this is essentially just a bonus. So it created the file here in my views component dashboard. Remember when we talked about this icon? So you can see that icon now. So resources, views, components, dashboards. So hey, welcome to your Livewire component on v4. Yay! So this is like the inline that we talked about that the last video. So this is it here, and then if you want, you can now break it down. Let's see if we can do that real quick. Should they have a convert? Okay, yeah, so here it is, convert. So let's try this out. Convert. Yep, and the name of the file dashboard. Then let's do that. All right, so now you can see on the left that we have 3. Let me increase this out. So inside component, you now have the dashboard folder, and then you have the other stuff inside. So you have the view, and then you have the backend, right? So that's it. Welcome to Livewire v4. Okay, so I would probably do this on the other end, and so we can just see this is basically just a bonus. We'll be talking about all the rest in detail. I actually just want to show you in case you wanted to have v4 and you were struggling to get it in your application. Let's see, php arts Livewire make dashboard. Let's use this command mfc, and then let's see. We didn't use that in the last one. Let's use this command and let's see. Oh, m does not exist. Wasn't that what I was saying? Okay, dash. Sorry, I made a mistake. So it's dash. Okay, so we created the file. Let's see that file, and then we have it. Well, keep in mind, this is actually Livewire v3 that we have upgraded to v4 beta, the beta version. So these are them. Yep. All them close this. It's a bit squishy here. All right. So this is the backend, and this is the view, and then we can use the convert to convert it back. So yeah, guys, that's it. I hope it's a short video actually, but that's the video. I just wanted to show you in case you're struggling or trying to get this done. If you like this video and you like or you want things like this, please like. If you had any input or anything, maybe I did something wrong and then I knew the right command initially, or I didn't do a setup I was supposed to do, please you can leave that in the comment section, so at least I learn from that and other people get to learn from that. But I just wanted to show you my personal experience with upgrading to version 4 beta and what I did to fix that. All right, so I've been Ola. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.